Got an old laptop gathering dust? What if I told you that with the right Linux distribution, you could turn that relic into a nimble, everyday machine? In today's video, I'll explore the best Linux distros designed specifically for old laptops, even those with modest specs. Linux is renowned for its flexibility and low resource demands. Unlike modern Windows or heavy desktop environments, lightweight Linux distributions can run smoothly on hardware with as little as 1 GB of RAM and older CPUs. According to TechMint's 16 best Linux distributions for older machines, distros like Lubuntu, Linux Lite, and MX Linux are popular choices. Community discussions also highlight options like Puppy Linux and AntiX for extremely resource-constrained systems. So, let's dive into some top candidates and their key features. First up, Lubuntu and Xubuntu. For a familiar Ubuntu-based experience, these are excellent options. They offer a light desktop, LXDE or XFCE, that is perfect for everyday tasks like web browsing and document editing. Next, Linux Lite and MX Linux. Linux Lite is designed with Windows migrants in mind, providing an intuitive interface, while MX Linux is celebrated for its rock-solid stability and user-friendly tools. And if your machine is really underpowered, Puppy Linux or AntiX might be your best bet. They're built to run on extremely low-spec hardware without compromising on functionality. To recap, Lubuntu and Xubuntu are lightweight and easy to use, Linux Lite and MX Linux are beginner-friendly and familiar, and Puppy Linux and AntiX are ultra-lightweight for minimal hardware. Ultimately, the best Linux distro for your old laptop depends on your needs and the system's specifications. Don't be afraid to try a live USB version before committing. Which distro will you choose to revive your old laptop? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux tips and reviews.